This machine has been fixed by Montgomery Ward. Each time I bring it home, it will not work. I'm getting tired of running to the store for repairs. Now watch. I will go now and demonstrate to show that the machine does not work. It's constantly stalling. As you can see from the demonstration, the machine just starts and quits. Without my priming it, it will not start, but sometimes it may start, but quits at the same time. Well, I gotta show you another lawnmower that I borrowed from a friend. Let's see how that one works. This friend's lawnmower is not self-propelled, but because of the nature of my lawn, I have to borrow this in order to get my lawn done. I'm really disappointed, but let's see how that is going to work. I changed the fuel, the gasoline in my lawnmower. Here is the fuel where I put it in this container. This is my front yard. As you can see, some portion is cut and the rest is not. This is the only thing that my lawnmower did yesterday. Over here is what it did the previous day that I brought it home when I started mowing my lawn. It just did this little segment here, as you can see, and it did quit. Now I bring my friend's lawnmower over to see whether this portion of the lawn kills my lawnmower, if it will kill friend's lawnmower. But if the friend's lawnmower sustains cutting, then the fault is not from the lawn. Now I demonstrate.